Wish you a very happy new year. May the new year be full of new achievements for you. I wish the days be filled with eternal happiness for you and your family. Today, we will be talking about the how the new year looks like for Aquarians. Will you taste success in this year? How will your relationship with your companion be? Will your financial situation improve? Before we start, let me tell you characteristics of Aquarians. Generally, Aquarians are known for their honesty and good character. They are not short-tempered and maintain good relation with all. Let's talk about job and business for Aquarians. You will see little bit of ups and downs in your career this year. However, you must be patient and will receive support from colleagues. Luck will favor you and you will make good progress in your career. Business persons involved with automobiles, gold jewelry, iron, building material, construction, properties, and clothing business will see good profit in 2021. But if you want to invest or expansion in your business, so please note this date. Between 4th of January to 18th of February is good for investment. If you are looking for a change in job, then period between 3rd of July to 8th of November will good for you. However, at some points during this year, you may face some trouble at work. So be careful. Now let's talk about financial forecast. Your earnings and increments may not be up to the mark and you may incur some unforeseen expenses beyond your control. You will see yourself donating good amount of money for social causes. You must try to save right from the start of the year to maintain financial stability. For better results, you should note the dates. 1st May to 14th of May will be good time for financial investment. Please do not take big financial decision between 17th of May to 29th of May. Let's now talk about forecast for your family life, love life and relationship. A few family related issues may arise and your work life balance may also be impacted in 2021. Disagreements with sibling may arise and you will need to pay special attention to the health of your parents. Your relationship with your partner will strengthen and luck will favor your children also. Let's talk about education. A student will be able to focus on all subjects. They may have to wait a bit longer to taste success in competitive examinations. However, they must continue to work hard with smart work. A student of media, information technology, and architecture will fare better than the previous year. You will get unexpected result between 14th of March to 20th of April. Let's talk about health forecast. You may have to face some health related issues, especially between 21st May to 18th of July. You must take care and pay attention to the slightest of the health issues. Consulting a good doctor on time will save you from long-term illness. The period between 14th of June to 21st August 2021 should be spent with caution. Let's talk about travel forecast. If you are a travel enthusiast, you will be happy to know that you will be on trip right from the start of 2021, including a New Year trip with friends and family. You can also expect professional tour through the year, but especially between 26th of July to 9th of November. The period between 26th May to 3rd of June could be ideal for making new deals. Finally, I would like to propose some remedies by which you could have a wonderful and harmonious year ahead. If you are a Vedic spiritual believer, then praying Lord Shiva will be auspicious for you. Offer food at orphanage home. Drink water kept in silver glass. Offer milk to Lord Shiva on Monday. You can wear a silver ring on thumb or Friday especially. Keep a plant with flowers in east direction and daily water it. Sit facing north direction. My dear friends, overall, 2021 seems auspicious for Aquarians and they can expect their dreams to come true. This was a generalized forecast, and hence, if you want a full fledged prediction, contact us for a telephonic or video conference appointment and know all about how 2021 is going to be for you. Be happy and be careful. Wishing you a happy, prosperous 2021. Namaskar. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.